Hello friend, welcome back. In this tutorial, I want to explain you guys how you can automate multiple web pages and test all those web pages links in just single shot and get the test report of links for all the pages. I have created one tutorial where I have explained that how you can automate checkmylinks through Playwright, how you can get it installed in checkmylinks automated browser window, and then from there how you can download. So this is the simple piece of code. Like this piece of code, you need to add it in your report to add the extension through Playwright in the automated browser window. This is a very simple code. I would highly recommend that you watch this tutorial because I don't want to club both these things in one short video. And then okay, so this is the one which used to install the extension automatically in your automated browser window through Playwright. And then here in this is the simple test case where we are opening the browser, and then this URL we are trying to open. Here what we are doing, because when you click on the check my links logo here, it used to open the window here, and then that window is actually, it is inside iframe. So first we have to switch inside iframe, then we are looking for this q get 0 here, because we need to look for once it get the result for all the links, then only we are supposed to click on export button. So what we are doing, we are looking for this one. Once this 0 is appear here, then we will click on this export all button. So same thing we are doing here, we are switching inside iframe, and then we are looking for, like, okay, after switching inside iframe, then we are looking for this element whether this got 0 or not. Once it got 0, so here we are looking basically how many matching elements we found. If that is greater than 0, then click on this export all button. After that, we are getting this file saved in local. So to get that file saved in local, because in Playwright, when the window get closed, your downloaded file also get deleted. So how can we get that into local system? For that we have written these 2-3 lines of code here. This one, 47, 49 and 50. So what this purpose? The purpose of this to get the file in local. Okay, so this is for one page. Now how can we get the report for multiple pages? So for that, now what we have done here, this is the piece of code which we have written here. This is the same code to get the extension in your automated browser window. Same thing here. This is your test case. This is the first test case. So where we are opening this website google.com, and after that I have written a common method here, download report. What that will do, that will have everything like switching to the iframe, then looking for this cute 0, that 0 count for the all the links has been scanned now, that one. And then once that is done, what it will do, it will click on that export all button. And then here what we are doing, because this will, like, by default check my links will download the report with the file name as check my links report. Okay, so suppose you have a multiple test case and you run the test cases, all of those test cases, so it will keep replacing the old file, because every time it will be downloading with the same name, so it will replace the old file. So how can we get all of them? To get all the report in place, we have to rename the file. So that's the reason what we are doing here, we are renaming the file here. So what it will do, this is my download folder. It could be different for in your case, like if you want to have a different directory, you can have the directory different. And then here you have this file name. What will be the file name you want? So file name, generally we will have that as a page name. So I will also show you that what we are doing here. We are just passing the parameter here, the page and the file name, and rest all are the constant here. In your case, like targeted directory could be different, so that you just replace here in place of just passing it as a parameter. So make sure that when you are using this code, you replace this with your local file. So ensure this directory exists in your system. So when you use this piece of code, make sure you change the directory. And now what we will do, we will call this method here, download report, just after opening the browser with the new URL. So here, like, it is google.com, so I have named as google.csv. This is triscientist.com, so I named it as a triscientist.csv. In your case, it could be like, let's say google.com/map, google.com/something. So you can give the file name whatever you want. So what we will do now, let me just delete both these two files. Okay, now in the download folder those two files are not here. Okay, so what we will do now, we will run this test case. Both the test case will execute, and then we will see like how it is downloading the report. I hope this is clear now. This method, download report method, what we are doing, we are after opening the URL, check my links automatically get triggered, and then we have to switch inside iframe, look for that Q0 scan, then click on the export all button, then here we rename the file and save it in local. Now let us run this. I will put this code in the same block where we have the single report and the multiple report. So both the browser has been opened, so you can see this is Tricentis and this is Google. It is taking more time, so this is still getting the result once that 0. So you can see both the two test cases passed, and here we have the report, Google and Tricentis. Okay, so both the reports are there. You can just simply open this and you can see the result as well. So here we have this status code URL, and then here you must be having the label of those links. So this is how you can get the report. Okay, now suppose you want to add more, like more pages you want to add. So here I will show you that how you can do simply now, how easy it will become, because you just have to copy paste this method and then you can keep adding more test cases like this one. Have here 2 in place of this Tricentis. Let's say have SelectorsHub.com. I will make it as a SelectorsHub, and I will change the file name 111 here, so it will be new this time. Let us add one more. So suppose in this case I will add this practice page, or this one here. So this I will say practice page. Okay, now we have 4 test cases altogether. Now we have 4 pages basically, and for 4 pages you see how fast we can get the link report. This is going to be really amazing. And we are running this 4 test cases, 4 browser window got open. In all 4 it will install check my links, and automatically it will trigger through code. So you can see that it got the result, it got the result. This also supposed to get the result, it is taking time. This also got. So all 4 test cases passed, and here we must be having the report. So you can see that this was the old one, Google 1, practice page, SelectorsHub 1, Tricentis. So all the 4 pages reports are here. You can simply open and check them. So this is how you can automate like as many pages as you want. You just keep duplicating this one, just replace the URL and the file name what you want. Make sure when you use this method, download method, you replace this directory path of your system wherever you are going. You want to keep this wherever you want to download that report file. Okay, so only thing is required to change, just duplicate this test case with the URL and the name, file name, and then here the directory path. The rest all the code you can utilize same as it is. I will add this piece of code here in the same block, and then just below this it will have the multiple reports one, so you can utilize that. I hope you found this useful, and it will really help you guys a lot to automatically test the links of all your web pages. And do let me know whether you are automating through Selenium or Playwright in the comment section, and I will be keep sharing more tutorial like this, and we'll keep adding more and more features in the tools. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.